Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about growing as an artist through daily practice. Many people think good artists are born with special talent. I believe talent can help, but it is not the most important thing. The biggest difference between a beginner and an experienced artist is regular practice. Every painting teaches something new. Even if a painting does not turn out well, it still helps us grow. Daily practice does not mean we have to paint for many hours. Even 20 or 30 minutes can make a big difference. During that time, we can practice brush control, color mixing, values, or simple sketches. Small effort every day become big improvement over time. When we practice regularly, we become more confident. Our hands become steadier, our eyes notice more detail, and we begin to understand how water and pigments work together. Things that once seemed difficult slowly become natural. There will be days when we do not feel inspired. We may think our paintings are not good enough. This happens to every artist. The important thing is not to stop. Some of our great lessons come from paintings that did not succeed. Every mistake shows us what we can improve next time. It is also helpful to paint different subjects. One day we can paint landscape, another day flowers, people, boats, or old buildings. Every subject teaches a new skill and keeps our learning interesting. At the same time, we should enjoy the process instead of worrying only about the final result. Another good habit is to look at our old paintings. Sometimes we only see today mistakes, but when we compare our work from a year ago, we realize how much we have improved. Progress is often slow, but it is always happening if we keep practicing. I have been painting watercolors for many years, and I still learn something new with every painting. I still make mistakes with values, shadows, perspective, and color choice. That remind me that learning never ends. No matter how experienced we become, there is always room to grow. In the end, becoming a better artist is not about creating one perfect painting. It is about showing up again and again with a brush in our hand. Every practice session, every sketch, and every painting is another step forward. So keep painting, practice with patience, enjoy the journey, and never be afraid of making mistakes. Success in watercolor does not come from painting once in a while. It comes from painting regularly and learning from every brush stroke. Thank you very much and happy painting.